Hi guys, welcome back to Aditi's Edit. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all of the things that I got from the Nykaa Pink Love sale that was going on from February 6th to February 15th. And I think it has got extended for a day or for 2 days. You can check the Nykaa app for it. Without any further ado, I think we should just get started with today's video. So I did purchase products offline and online both. So I have the Nykaa online purchase in this box, the Nykaa offline purchase in this bag. Let's start with the things that I got online. I got two things online. So I placed my orders online on 14th, I think 13th February, because Mansi Mao posted a video of like a story of like if you want to ask for any recommendations, and then I saw that she recommended two moisturizers for like dry skin people, and I being dry skin person always looking for the best moisturizers out there, and on her recommendation, because my moisturizer was getting over, on her recommendation I got this moisturizer, because in a story she linked this moisturizer. I was not going to buy anything from the sale till that point of time, but when I saw this product on a really great discount, I was like, I am going to get it. So this is the Plum Serasens Moisturizing Cream. It's an instant barrier recovery, 72 hours moisturization, and it's for normal to dry skin. This is how it looks like. I absolutely was intrigued when I saw her story. I thought कि मैं इसको try कर लेती हूँ and let's see if it works on me, because she said it's a really good affordable option. First she recommended some high-end moisturizer, and then she went on her next second story to give like a affordable one as well, and I thank her for that. I thank Mansimo for that. I'm definitely going to try this one out, and I will let you guys know my thoughts and reviews after trying this for sure. I haven't opened the packaging, so I will just open it in front of you, and I will start using it from today itself, or at least from tomorrow, because I can't keep cool. So I have opened it finally. I love the packaging, by the way. Very nice. Ooh. Ooh, very luxurious. Very, very luxurious packaging. Love it. Look at that. Love the like packaging. But obviously she might have just suggested it not on the basis of how it looked, but how it performed. So I'm really, really excited to try that out. And yeah, it says it nourishes dry skin, so I am really excited how the cream looks like. Obviously it is going to be a thick nourishing cream. uh so yeah, this is the first product. मैं ये बाय कर ही रही थी, तो मैंने सोचा मैं और क्यों ना बाय करूं. So I got myself the one that I was missing so much. So I actually used this product. This is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. This is how it looks like. Again, it's fully packed. So the reason for this is because I had already emptied like two tubes like this. Then I went ahead and purchased the bubble mascara, which I liked, but not as much as the Sky High one. I've already mentioned that in a lot of videos I've been talking that about. So I was missing this mascara so much. So as soon as that mascara got over, I repurchased this, because this gives you a effect as false lashes. When you apply it, it actually feels like you're wearing false lashes, which I did not feel in the bubble mascara whatsoever. So I really love this. This is a waterproof version, by the way, but I apply very little, so I don't have any problem in removing it actually, because I already have very like long and long lashes. I just need a little, volume to them. Mascara gives, so I've used a very little mascara and I'm good to go. So yeah, this is the second product. So these are the only two products I got online. And then on 14th February, we went to a mall with my parents, and then my parents gifted me some makeup from the Nykaa store at the Infinity Mall. They're like the Chota Nykaa store is there in that Infinity Mall. They gifted me something, and I was really happy that day. So that is what the second haul looks like. Again, it was not decided. So makeup it is. It's not actually all makeup, but let's just dive in. The first thing is actually Nykaa's new launch because I haven't seen that. This is the first time I saw it on the Nykaa store anywhere. And recently, when I checked Nykaa, it is coming as a new at Nykaa. So I think this is new. This is the Nykaa Makeup Essentials Brush and Blender Set for full face, eye, and eyes easy application. This is beginner friendly. This is how it looks like. So it has two beauty blenders, one blush brush, one contour brush, one concealer brush, one eyeshadow brush, one eyebrow brush, and two blenders. तो ये सारी चीजें हैं इस किट में. मुझे पसंद आया ये. मैंने अभी तक इसको खोला नहीं है बिकॉज मुझे आपको दिखाना था. Actually, I'm gonna start a beginners one-on-one with Aditi series, like a beginners one-on-one series with Aditi, and I'm gonna show you everything, like from base, eyes, lips, very beginners, very everyday like thingies, and we're just gonna go very deeply. Stay tuned for that. So I will be using brushes, this brushes and that for sure. This came in the right time. Okay. So the next product is going to be, this is the Nykaa Moe Reason de Etre of the perfume. I am sure I have butchered the pronunciation. Actually the best seller. और मैंने काफी इंटरनेट पे भी इस परफ्यूम के बारे में सुना है कि नायका का ये परफ्यूम काफी अच्छा है. So when I went to that Nykaa counter, I was like, if I'm buying anything, I'm in need with perfume because my perfume is going to get over very soon. So I thought ये perfume अच्छा रहेगा. Perfume is really expensive, guys. I didn't know that. Nykaa Moe perfume. If you remember, this is very like the best seller, and it is all over their internet as well. And I really like the smell. Like it's very floral. I really like the smell. And look at the bottle. It's so damn pretty cute. Very aesthetic, you know. So yeah. Of course, मुझे पसंद आता है कि नहीं, कैसे आता है, कितने टाइम रहता है. Everything I will try and get back to you guys. This is the Nykaa Matte Last Long Stay Lipstick in the shade Bombay. मैंने इसका चाय यूज किया है, मैंने इसका लिक्विड में चाय यूज किया है, मद्रास कापी यूज किया है, और मैंने इसका बुलेट में भी मद्रास कापी यूज किया है. एंड आई लव द फॉर्मुलेशन सो मच. लाइक आई एम टेकिंग बॉम्बे बिकॉज hell everywhere Bombay is out of stock all of the time. Nykaa पे it's always out of stock. Like at least liquid तो मैंने जब भी देखा है it's out of stock. So I was like मैं ये purchase कर रही हूँ बॉम्बे में. I don't know. I'm literally obsessed with this shade. मतलब ये मेरा next everyday shade बन सकता है. So yeah, this is the shade. So तभी इसको जानवी love वाला shade बोला जाता था. I'm gonna swatch it. Look at that shade. एंड ये लिपस्टिक इतनी ज्यादा क्रीमी है. लुक एट द स्वॉच. सो मेरी दिस सिट्स राइट इन द प्रोस्पेक्ट ऑफ बीइंग माय फेवरेट एवरीडे शेड. देख सकते हो आप कितनी ब्यूटीफुल शेड है. आप देख सकते हो ऐसे. लव्ड इट एब्सोल्युटली. और जब आप खोलोगे ना, इस पे लिखा हुआ है स्ले ऑल डे विच इज सो गुड. तो अगेन इसका फॉर्मुलेशन मुझे, आपको पता ही है कि मुझे कितना पसंद है. बट डेफिनेटली ये शेड मुझे लगता है कि मैं बहुत ज्यादा वेयर करने वाली हूँ. सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी विद द परचेज. दैट वर द थिंग्स दैट आई बॉट ऑनलाइन एंड ऑफलाइन विदाउट इवन डिसाइडिंग. ये बहुत ही अनएक्सपेक्टेडली पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है मेरी लाइफ में कि मैंने किसी सेल पे ऐसा इतना इम्प्रॉम्प्टू परचेज करा है. So yeah, it's always pre-decided, like pre-thought. While ordering also I think a lot and I see the pros and cons. This time it's very impromptu. ऐसे भी है जो मुझे कई टाइम से चाहिए थे और लोग बहुत ही रेव कर रहे थे उसके बारे में. So मैंने उसको थॉट नहीं दिया और मैंने बाय कर लिया. नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपके सबके लिंक्स मिल जाएंगे. So if you want to buy any of these products, you're free to go to the description. मैं सारे अपने हॉल्स हो, रिव्यूज हो, जो भी हो जहाँ पे मैं प्रोडक्ट दिखा रही हूँ, अगर वो प्रोडक्ट मुझे ऑनलाइन मिल जाता है तो हमेशा आपको उसका लिंक मेरे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. So always don't fail to check the description out. That's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't fail to give this video a biggest possible thumbs up. Don't fail to comment down below आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा और आप क्या बाय करने वाले हो अगर आप करने वाले हो तो. And please don't fail to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click on the bell button. फिर अच्छे वीडियोस, शॉर्ट्स आते रहेंगे. So make sure to stick on if you really love watching beauty videos and really love watching makeup videos. This is the right place for you. I'm also gonna start doing a little fashion content here and there. Travel vlogs भी बहुत डालती हूँ. So yeah, मैं जहाँ भी जाती हूँ मैं vlog करती हूँ because I love vlogging as well. So if you love all of these things, basically you're in the right place, and I am sure you'll enjoy there. So please do check out my channel and subscribe. That's pretty much it. I will see you guys in my next video, which is going to be the beginner series, and I hope I see you there. So yeah, till then, bye. Take care.